Hello. Hello. Yeah, we got a little bit of a mystery going on here. For some reason, I'm stuck in the floor. And it's like one of those, how did this happen mysteries. I can sit on the deck, okay. That seems okay, but as soon as I do this. Yeah. Oh no. Oh, protect by the screen. Thanks, screen. Good way to start. Yeah. Thanks, Martina. The thing about this is that you might not want to redeem. Oh, okay. Huh. So it's being a bit weird. I feel like your cats might still be under. I don't know. Does it spawn through the ship? I think it's. I saw them get alerted. Hang on. Don't know. So the thing about this is I haven't done a new build. So this is the same build that we ran yesterday, and yet it's different. I can only think that the save system has somehow saved uh oh ooh, what? Martina fixed it. Swifty broke it.
You're welcome.
Hit Swifty again. Hit Swifty again. She's not there anymore. Hit me. No, don't hit me. Yeah, I don't know. But I don't have a working version. I'm sitting now. I'm sitting. Don't worry about it. You have that on a Stream Deck button now, don't you? And you're just like bap 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 bap. I see you.
Yup.
Yup. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know, everybody. I guess you just have to sit down, or like we'll stand on the platforms today. Oh my god, I can't stand on the platforms. What the hell is going on with the physics engine? It's like I don't have. It's like I'm on the wrong layer. I don't understand how it could change between yesterday's build and running it today. Freaking weird. Yeah, hit me. Yeah. Still broken. I don't know, man. Now it's worse. I'm gonna try rerunning it again. Mega mystery.
What's going on? Whoa! What's going on?
Right? I don't know. I haven't done a new build since yesterday.
What happened?
I don't know.
I do.
What do you think?
Well, you were talking about how the collider for the floor was the wrong kind the other day.
Yeah?
So didn't you change it?
No. If anything, I added more colliders.
Well, then I think that might be the problem.
But I haven't done anything since yesterday when it worked.
That counts as changing it.
You know those murder mysteries where it's like this person was in a locked room. There's no sign of entry. There's no sign of exit. They've just been discovered dead in the room.
Yes.
Figure it out.
Have you tried restarting your Unity completely? Because maybe Unity is just weird. Because sometimes
I haven't done a new build. This is the exact same build that we ran yesterday.
Yeah, but you need to close the program in between because sometimes Unity is just weird.
But I'm not running Unity. It's just a Unity application.
Okay.
So the only thing that stays around is part of the save system, but I don't have that saving anything to do with the deck.
I don't know.
I don't know either. Do we just live with this morning? You can sit on the deck like this.
Kieran has sent me a Sonic Syndrome test. I don't know what that is.
It's a test to see if you have Sonic Syndrome, sounds like.
Which Sonic the Hedgehog character reflects your psyche?
Shadow.
Okay.
You know what it looks like we're trying to do? Oh, you're trying to go in. Okay. You love how every stream is a new fun surprise. I wish there was some controlled chaos, but these bugs are doing my head in.
I'm haunted by memories I can't let go of. I feel like that might be a shadow answer.
Pick it, see what happens. Introduces chaos era, complains of added chaos. Wow. I'm not, you know, it's alright. But, like, BitBomb's not working. Is bugging me. Subs sometimes don't work. It's just not on, man. What are you doing? Are you taking this quiz?
Yeah.
You have to read out. You can't just be quiet and take the test if you're on stream.
Why not?
You have to tell us what the questions are and stuff.
I struggle to trust even when I want to. Disagree. I don't handle criticism well. It stinks too much. Neutral. I do anything to keep someone I love close to me. Neutral.
Neutral.
I get tense or angry when something triggers me. Agree. I take bold risks to show off my genius. Agree. I stick to my rules and routines, no exceptions. Disagree.
I have a post-it note on my screen. I need to check something with you. It says get Swift to fill her in her ADHD onboarding form.
Thank you.
Okay, so you haven't done that yet?
No.
Okay. I wonder if they factor in how long it takes you to get the form back to them in your assessment. Because I would.
Maybe.
I would put a little clock on that. I'd be like, okay, we sent this to them on the 3rd of whatever, and it's come back on the 6th of 2 months later. I think that's a tick in the box of the column of yes.
I got Sonic brackets ADHD.
Did you?
Yeah. I scored 90% on Sonic. My next highest is 70% on Tails. Anxiety. And then my third highest is Dr. Eggman, narcissistic.
Oh, there you go.
There you go. Who's surprised? I just said this back. Here you go, Kieran. Thank you for this.
You can't.
I scored very low on Metal Sonic, which is a shame, but there you go.
Okay, so you can't sit on the deck.
I'm just ahead, I guess.
You're just ahead. Go grab some stickers. From where? From what? From how? Who? What stickers? What are you talking about?
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about? Yay!
So she'll do the form. It's Sonic. It's a digital form, unfortunately. How's the old chaos meter doing? Ow! All right, align in the hole. Looking tasty. Looking good.
Looking tasty.
They're trying to hit me. Send them the Sonic test results instead of the form. They're clearly Sonic ADHD.
That's true. I should just send it to them, shouldn't I?
Yeah. So what are you doing this morning?
I just redeemed a gift that I won on an Artie's chat that I'd forgotten to redeem. So now I've got a sticker.
Oh, cool.
Yay!
One of those. It's gonna be one of those mornings, isn't it?
Well, I can't even see the stream. You haven't even put it on screen for me.
Are you fucking kidding?
So it's like I don't quite know what you want me to do. Like, I appreciate you making it out like it's all my fault, but you know.
It's because this software opened up over here. I had it set up for you.
I really can't see anything. There's no chat, there's no stream.
There was.
Going higher and higher.
Fucking thing. Come on.
You okay?
There you go.
What's up? There I am.
I have to open this again because I just.
Now it's much easier for me to participate. Yeah, thank you, Kieran. When you say that's a dub, you're the second person that I've seen say that's a dub. Is this a new phrase now that means a win?
Means W.
Okay, I see. So we've shortened win to W, and now we've shortened W to dub. Gotcha. All right, I'm on board. I get it.
Pretty silly.
I like it. It's a dub as far as I'm concerned. Took the L. I know Took the L. Took the L's pretty old now. But that's a dub is one I hadn't heard before. Ezra says it's been a thing. This is only the second time I've ever seen it. Going higher and higher.
We can't even stand on the platforms on the screen in this build.
Why are we in the floor?
I don't know.
Why are we in the floor?
Why are we in the floor?
I do wonder.
I do wonder too.
Yeah. Hi, Martina. Don't see much because not many dubs these days. Oh no. Don't say that. I like that there's now a debate going on as to whether dub is a shortening. It's an abbreviation if you're typing it, but not if you're saying it.
Yeah. When equals
Wait,
one
or the
syllable,
other
W
way-
equals 3 syllables, dub equals 1 syllable.
The other way around, yeah. If you're saying it, it's shorter. If you're typing it, it's longer. You're going from typing 1 letter to typing 3 letters. But W is 3 syllables, so you're going from saying 1 syllable to saying 3 syllables to saying 1 syllable.
I would just say win.
I'm trying to sound so smart. I'm getting everything backwards.
I would
so
just,
it's not working, Doig.
I would just say win.
My smartness isn't working.
Your smartness isn't working.
Lord knows I could use more dubs. I love that song. Lord knows I could use more dubs. I love Adele. Imagine if Adele came out with a song called More Dubs.
More dubs, please. I'm rolling in the dubs tonight.
I took another L yesterday.
Maya, you mammy, no, don't come in. We're being silly.
No,
We're being silly. We're being cozy raid.
How's it going? Thank you so much for the raid. Yeah, typed W, pronounced dub. You've got it, Crowcole. That must be it. Good job. Hello from the L tonight. Yeah, my head's just in the deck. I don't know why.
Jump.
Oh, okay. 1 sec. I have to put my tea down and then reach over and get.
Oh, don't jump then.
Too late. I've done what I just said I was going to do. Oh, I knocked everything on the floor.
There you
go.
Now sit.
This is the same.
Weird.
Oh. You know,
You know what you should. You know what you should press.
No.
You should press the Y button. That's good.
I'm doing it. I'm
Yeah.
flying.
Yeah, there you go.
Huh. I'm doing it. Yes. Okay. I got it.
There you go.
Don't worry, dog. Got it. I'm not used to it. Hold on. I haven't flown in a while. I've just. There we go.
There we go.
Here I am.
There you go.
I fixed it.
Very good.
Yeah. How's that?
Good. Just let me know if your arms get tired.
They're getting a little tired.
Excellent form.
Thank you.
Especially like the little it's like when someone is pretending they can swim, but they've got their foot on the bottom of the pool and they're just sort of like bouncing up and down.
No, I'm flying properly.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Hold on. There
Just
we
do
go.
this, yeah.
You see, now I don't need to flap my arms at all.
Yeah. Lock hammer.
Up. Almost. Up. That's pretty good.
I'll take it.
Yeah. Hello from the outside. Beautiful voice.
Everything to do with the physics engine is broken.
Interesting. Interesting how that happened.
I didn't change anything. I merely
You
identified.
obviously did.
I didn't. It's the same build that I ran yesterday.
You obviously did.
The only thing that's changed is that the computer has restarted since yesterday.
Kieran took it and got tails. I've told Kieran that I think we should team up.
Are you sharing your screen today? Are we just yapping?
I don't know.
Have you been messing around with a custom character controller dog? No, I've not done anything.
You can do a bit of art.
I didn't work on the build at all yesterday. Nothing's changed. It's a closed room and someone got in and shot it.
Someone got in and shot it.
Yeah.
Shot the room.
The person in the room.
Oh, there was I didn't know there was a person in the room.
Well, the person in the room is the build.
Okay, I thought that the room was the build.
Yeah.
What is this playlist, dog?
It's my gotta grow up sometime playlist.
You've got to grow up sometime.
I don't know. I think I just put 80s. Have you turned the whole PC off on and on again? Yes.
Some people wanna see what I see.
What do you want to listen to? You want to listen to some
Something
Rush?
upbeat and cool. Some people don't see what I can see. Da ba da do da do.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how insane do you feel right now? Pretty insane. Pretty insane, man.
How insane? Ooh. The government. Hell yeah. 10 hours of Cotton Eye Joe. You know what? I fucking love Cotton Eye Joe. We should put Cotton Eye Joe on.
Okay. After Rush's whole discography, though.
After Rush's entire discography, we can have Cotton Eye Joe.
Yeah.
Okay. I've lost my pen. There it is.
You don't know where your pen is.
When you don't know where your pen is.
There's a good metal cover of Cotton Eye Joe.
No way, really? That's rad. My mind is not for rent by any god or government.
Oh, I don't have my laptop idle anymore. I'll fix that.
Let me find an overcooked screenshot. Overcooked screenshot. I'm being dumb.
India, can you put on Anagram for Mongo by Rush? I like that song.
I can't do anything, Renee. It's all on Doig.
I could share the jam with you if you want. And then you could control it.
Or you could just do what Renee asked. Without needing me to click.
But he asked you.
Yeah, he did. He did at that. My mind is not for rent by any god or government.
I don't know if that exists.
Renee, are you being real? You being real right now?
But they certainly didn't put it on Spotify.
Found it, Eldrasaur. Ooh. Catch the mist! Catch the mist! Ah. Okay, I'm just gonna go with any screenshot. This should be fine. Oh. Most of the lyrics are anagrams of itself. It's a fun deconstructive listen. Ooh, interesting. Are there different songs called Cotton Eye Joe? I don't think so. There should be only one Cotton Eye Joe. Surely there's only one Cotton Eye Joe.
There you go.
All right. I've got myself an overcooked screenshot, and now I'm going to match the perspective on it.
Are you sharing your screen?
Would you like me to share my screen?
Okay. It's more interesting than what I'm doing.
My mind is not for rent. Sorry, that bit's in my head, and that's all I'm going to sing.
You sharing?
Almost. 3, 2, 1. I'm sharing.
I fucked it up, but I kind of like that.
You fucked it up, but you kind of like it.
Yeah, look.
Ooh. Okay, let's get this perspective matched up. So, is this 2-point perspective or 3-point perspective? This is like 2-point perspective, really. 2-point perspective on here. 2-point perspective with one above. Yeah, hold on. I'll just figure it. I'll figure it out, guys. I'll figure it out. And one below. And the below perspective is very extreme. Mm-hmm. And then this is like way the fuck up here or somewhere. Oh, not even. It's actually less, like, more extreme than that. What do you know? Just getting this perspective to match. Let's see. Does this match? Yes. Yes, that's starting to feel good. Let's lock that. And then we'll draw our interior. Yeah, it's close enough, isn't it? Close enough, innit?
So
it's not exact.
If you want, I've been hammering out a decent character controller over the weekend. I remember you said you wanted to make a custom one, so if you want something to work off of, ooh, cool. Yeah, that sounds awesome. What have you got to do so far? I used this current one because it fixed the tunneling problem that I had.
The tunneling problem.
Yeah, the tunneling problem. The tunneling problem was you walking through colliders into rooms you shouldn't get to.
The tunneling problem.
And also, it sort of follow, if you're standing on a rigid body, it'll follow the rigid body. That's the two reasons I use the one I'm currently using. You just remembered the mimic, bring back the mimic. Okay, listen everybody. Once I finish up the freelance I'm doing,
listen everybody.
I'm taking a hiatus from everything, and then I'm gonna work on overlay stuff full time. That's my plan.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Good plan.
So that's when that stuff will sort of rear its head.
That's a little while away, right?
It's a little while away, yeah. Freelance end in sight. No, not really. I know when it should end, but I can't say.
Soup kitchen tables.
I thought you were just going to draw your characters over the characters that are there and just keep the environment the same, but this is pretty cool.
Yeah, no, I'm drawing the soup kitchen because they don't have any environments that are like the soup kitchen.
Yeah.
So I'm having to do a little bit of inventing, which is kind of fun. I don't mind it. I'm imagining long tables like you get at school and stuff. You know? So a bunch of people can sit at them at the same time. And then in here would be the kitchen.
Oh, hey, another raid. Welcome in. The controller is just very stable. Solid ground detection, soft wall bouncing, decent slope traversal, jumping with coyote time. I tried also to do some step detection for stairs, but that takes more work. Oh, awesome. Yeah, that sounds really cool. And is it sort of like built on a state machine? Or is that you layer that on later? Patchy rating us with a party of 58. Hello, how you doing?
Welcome. Thank you so much for the raid. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Hey, good morning, Dupus. How's it going?
Hey, Dupe. How's it hanging? It was nice catching your stream the other day. How are you doing?
Ahoy, anchors down. Tomo Patchy's inbound. Hi.
Hi.
Welcome. You've never been here before. I'm Doig.
I'm Swift.
I've built a 3D game for us to interact with Twitch with. How's it going? I float.
Yes, things are a little bit broken today, as usual.
My floor is a little broken, so I'm floating today. I'm floating and sitting.
So yeah, things are a little strange.
A little busted. I'm refactoring our canon code because it's too complicated and things are slipping through the cracks.
Let's put some plates here. I'm doing some art for our D&D VOD, in case people are wondering. And this one is based on Overcooked, as you can see.
Oh, you find us from our TikToks?
Oh,
love your setup.
really?
Did you just find us from our TikToks, or has that been a? Because I just put up a new TikTok, so I'm wondering if there was correlation there.
And some herbs and stuff.
Your new vid was really good. Oh, thank you. Oh, okay, a while ago. That's awesome. Well, welcome in. Hi.
Put some more veg here.
Yeah. Beach balls for everybody.
Knives on the wall. Heyo. Oh, False Mana says your new vid was really good. Thank you. Hey, Kevin!
Hey, Kevin.
Kevin says, good morning, lads. Good morning, Kevin. How's it going? How are you? Little poster of keep your workstation clear. And then this can be bowls of soup. Maybe this is a little cart. Put the soup on. I'm drawing a little soup kitchen for those who don't know. And then we just need a little chairs. So I'll just put a little indication of stools. There are multiple people sitting around. And then I guess I could put a little indication of what's outside. I don't know if I need to though. Hold on. It'll be like this. I want it to be, yeah, I probably want it to be more like that. But I do want to see more of what's over there. Like that. And then that's the wall. Yeah. Gonna make your character work in the kitchen. Yeah, we're gonna put our little D&D characters in here because this is what happened last episode. So how you guys doing out there? We're doing good. How are you doing? Just a little soup kitchen. Just a little soup. A small amount of soup, please. A small soup for me, please. Just a little soup. One little soup. And then out here is all cobblestones. Cobblestones? Oi, Bagel Martha, there's cobblestones outside. Narrow streets, narrow streets. This is the Fallows. Welcome to the Fallows. Everything is narrow. You are in the Fallows. You're drinking coffee soup right meow. Oh my goodness. Bean soup. Bean soup? You like drawing top down? I don't have a lot of practice doing it, but I like it. Okay, let's see. So, over here, we'll have Vendre. So I'm going to do indication of, here is his chef hat. Little pig guy. He's got a little apron. Just like they have in Overcooked. And he's doing stuff. There he is. Little Ven. And then we want... You're so soggy for Vendre. Yeah, Vendre's cool, right? Vendre's interesting. I really want to know more about the team that Vendre was on, the little stealing squad that he was on, where one of them was a hellbreaker who breaks into hell to steal things. And he breaks into the Shadowfell to steal things. I'm like, is there another one of them that like breaks into the fire plane to steal something or something? Like what? The soggy stealing squad. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And since Kevin probably won't know, Kevin, Vendre is a guy who was stealing something from a witch, got caught, and got turned into a pig-headed dude. And then after he got turned into a piggy-headed dude for trying to steal, he was like, this must be my punishment, and decided he was going to do community service for the rest of his life to try and make up for it. He is hot, says Apple. V did describe him as extremely buff and well built. Yeah, pig-headed man, pig-headed ex-thief, now working in soup kitchen. Oh, one for the Fae too. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, Pigman porked up in a good way, indeed. So then, let's see. We would have Kari over here, washing up. Is the side with the armor on. And she's in her cool dress. With her braid.
You know Doig is going to have to make this game now, right? Oh, the Overcooked one with the Ennisfall lads.
He'd refuse. That did a doodle of him, and Crep and I have never desired approval from a pig-headed buff man more in my life. Do you mean the doodle that Darkvault did immediately after the episode? I know what this is about when I'm craving bacon. Mm-hmm. Like Porco Rosso, but really buff. What would you do if you sin into the floor? Oh, sink into the floor. What would you do if you sin into the floor? Okay. So we have Kari, and I'll give her one of those little noses that they have. And then the dot eyes. And then the little moon signal can be up there. The moon signal, like the bat signal. Technically, the moon signal is always in the sky every night for Kari. Constantly being summoned. There we go. We've got Kari on the washing. I feel like she needs to be a little bit taller. There we go. Okay. And now Kova is like helping cut things up. So let's put Kova over here. You started watching the New Good Girl short series yesterday, and this is very fitting. Which one is it that you're watching? I think Artie said that Kova had a bandana on at this point. So let me draw that. I don't know how to draw bandanas, guys. We're just gonna fucking try, okay? Like that, I guess. Feels weird that Kova's facing away from us. I don't know. Maybe I should do him over on the other side. But then I feel like he would want to be next to Vondre as well, so. He's got his flares on. All of us here in our fancy clothes. Oh, Wildmount Wildling. Sam is DMing and he asked the kids to make a monster for his campaign. They made a pig monster that sounds like sizzling bacon. Wow, nice.
Nice.
There is no need to call me sir, says someone dressed as a minion crashed into my criminal law lecture during the break this morning. Did they get arrested? It's easy to draw a bandana. Just draw a lemon and make it longer. A lemon?
What's a lemon? Get that lemon going.
Get that lemon. I think that looks like about the right size for Kova. And then a little knife and cutting carrot. I don't know. This. And then Wick was repairing stuff, so I'm going to put Wick over here with the oven. Repairing the oven.
The oven.
The oven! I'm going to steal this, the proportions of this thing. Wick still had the hair semi-slicked back.
Is that no longer the case now?
Yeah, like, it was slicked back. And they're trying, but they can't be bothered. So it's kind of semi, not really.
Gotcha.
I don't know what their multi-tool looks like. Probably has like a wrench on one end. And then just a bunch of stuff that you can fold out on the other end. Let's get you over here so I can see what I'm doing.
Yeah, I think I've refactored this bit thing. Rather than try and pass all the properties for a piece of cannon ammo in variables for functions, I'm just passing a struct instead. And then I'm gonna have the cannon deconstruct the struct when it goes to fire them back into its component parts so that I can network it easier. But it means that like I can just choose the parts inside of the cannon ammo that are relevant to what I'm wanting it to fire. Cannon ammo. Banana cannon ammo. Animo? Omo.
Are you okay?
It's debatable.
This is,
look at the little. Oh.
yeah, this is good.
Who's that?
Wick.
Yeah, thought so.
Good. I'm glad you thought it was the character it was meant to be.
And Carrie's bottom left.
Uh-huh.
Where's Ritz?
He's not in yet. I'm about to do him.
Betrayal. I thought you would draw him first.
I think Ritz is going to be in the other room with Crap.
I see.
Although I could make this bigger if I just put them all in this one room and then I wouldn't have to draw the rest of the crowd. What if I just really zoomed in on this one little bit? Yes. Actually, yes. Okay. So, Crap is probably going to have a little cart that they're running back and forth.
Ritz is in Ritz Crackers. No, there's a character called Ritz. It's Tiefling Barbarian Monk as part of the Ballad of Ennersfell campaign that Swifty's playing in.
Let's see. I feel like we could have Ritz here, plate on head.
Yeah.
Actually, it'll be bowl on head.
These kind of need to go somewhere else. That's in the way of the art. We need a better place for pop-ups if we're gonna have subtitles at the bottom. Or we just allow it to send the CC and then I don't know. If you integrate it in the lore, it'd be a cannon, camo, cannon, ammo, cameo. I like that.
What we doing, Ritz? What we doing? A man, what we doing? A little run. A little run's pretty good. I feel like his legs need to be switched. That old animation curse of being that one arm is slightly more forward and needing the legs to oppose. Yeah, this can work. Me. You're so good so fast. Oh, Crimbo, thank you. This one needs a little bit of extra. Make this perspective feel convincing. Heidi, you're going to take my tint, son. No, don't take him. I need him for my joy and happiness. Stays a little man and wrapping all the blankets. He needs it. He needs it. Big oofs. The soup kitchen was fun though. Despite the fact they were doing it after potentially losing a friend.
Yeah.
Nice to feel useful. What kind of soup? Good question. Good question. Oh, drawing. Drawing, it requires me to stretch. Let's see. It's ready to call me sir. Yes, interesting argument. I do agree though, we need more representation of people who are differently abled, for sure. For sure. Soup.
Oh, I'm doing a refactor, man.
Yeah, right, Vimviz? Bumbling through the adventure, losing their friends, not able to defend people properly, but as soon as there's a soup kitchen in need, hold the phone, everybody lock in. They found their calling. Just gonna copy and paste this soup. No one can stop me from doing that. Now the bowls look the same size, and that's good. Soup is the real health potion. See if I can just eyeball this one. Yeah, that'll do. Uh-huh. He's got his little crop top.
Oh.
It's silly and I like it. Are you discovering things over there, dog?
I'm discovering things over here.
What have you discovered?
When you're passing in stuff, I have two variables. I had rewarder name and recipient name.
Huh?
I've now changed those to display name and gifter name. So display name will stay the same because I was having to swap rewarder name and recipient name depending on whether it was a gifted subscription or not.
Mm-hmm.
But this way, it's always going to be the display name is the person that receives. So if you subscribe, it would be your display name. If you were gifted a sub by someone else, it will still be your display name, and then they'll have the added attribute of having the gifter name in the code, rather than having to swap them around. So that should be cleaner.
Okay, so that's the gang, and then we just need Crepe Waffle, who I think will be coming through from the other room. This is silly and cute, and I like it. Wick needs a little nose thing. Yeah, these little ones are very cute. Let me zoom in so you can see them better. Here they are. Here's the gang. It's very silly. So, Crepe Waffle. Let me get my perspective locked on again so I can draw their cart, because they will be pushing their cart through from the other side here. Create some little wheels. Handle. And then big soup. Big soup. Ladle sticking out. Big soup. Chaos, chaos. The soup revolving. Do, 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 do. So this is Mr. Percent, who's a frog. And then this will be Crepe Waffle, who needs to be very small.
Smaller than Kova.
About the same size as Kova, I think.
Same size.
Waffle has a big poofy skirt. If this is really gay, Mr. Percent is a hat skin. Yes, true. Let's see. So she has that big long ponytail. Like that. And then she has big old ears like this and tufts. Like this. Like this. You've got to pucker your lips like this. And bat your eyes like this. Little Mermaid, my beloved.
Uh-huh.
I love that movie. Crepe Waffle. Here she goes. Then I've got to give her a little running pose like that. And then she's got little sleeves. Well, she's got no sleeves. Wait, which I mean she's got a sleeveless top on. Good at talking. And I'm going to do little panics because it's crap waffle, so she'll be panicking. There is unsurprisingly a pig chef in Overcooked already. Oh, really? Oh, really? Can't believe that Overcooked stole from Ballad of Ennisfall. There's a little crep. There's a little crep. Crep needs to be even smaller, is the thing. Even smaller. Tiny, tiny little gull. Yes, that is better. I like that I'm implying that there's about to be a collision happening between crap waffle and Ritz. Let's just clarify that this is sunken down. All right. And now let's... There we go. There we go. It's the gang. It's the gang. They're going. I feel like I want them to be doing this or about to run past each other or something. Actually, put Ritz more center. Now I've made him too big. There we go. Trying to figure out where to put them so I don't all seem like they're in a line, you know? Maybe I do crap coming through the curtain or something like that. Yeah. Yeah. Mr. Percent should be grabbing some payment as I run past. Let's see, how would I do that? I'd have to put percent backwards. And then do like, this is percent's mouth. And there's a gold coin, like, going into it. I guess maybe someone from over here is like throwing a gold. And they're sat here like this. You know? I need to make them a little bigger so that the size difference between them and crab waffle is apparent. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. This is how you pay. Could be reaching out with a tongue. Can they do that? Can they do that Dark Vault? Because if they can, I could do that. Hey Kevin, have a good lurk and work.
Oh, hey Kevin. Bye, Kevin. Oh, look at what this. The little
Got a working tongue in that
little
case.
guy.
What if we...
Who drew this? I was distracted. I'm refactoring. Who drew this?
Grab the coin from out of the air.
Art by Kevin. Kevin drew the piggy guy.
Whoa, Kevin drew the piggy guy. Nice job. There's a Vendre. There's a Vendre.
Thanks, Kevin.
That's a Vendre. Thanks, Kevin. When your pigman is buff and he charges enough, that's a Vendre. There we go.
I'm just going to show something quickly for my refactoring. Is that cool?
Yeah.
So, I have all of this code here of like switch and then all of these different things for like prime, tier 1, and then every time it goes through this, it picks an ammo and it puts all of this information into what it's passing to the cannon. And then similarly, if it's not a GIF, then I do the same thing and I basically type it all out. What I've made instead is a little choose sub box based on a subscription tier, and then it does all of that once, and then I put that call here. So this line of code combined with this one switch statement means that I can do this. Delete all that. And I can delete all this. Huzzah, refactor. Still gonna keep those actually this else doesn't make sense anymore. So there we go. 10 out of 10 refactoring, thanks. These debug statements will need to be placed in the proper place, but that. Now instead of all that, I have oh, I've got an if here. I could just make that this. Maybe. We go. So we get the display name, the gifter name. This could end up null, but it doesn't really matter. Yep, and then we just have to add one instance of add actual. Actually, I think it's pick from cannon. Then add actual ammo, and then we give it the cannon ammo. Kind of one. Ooh. It's not a count of one, it'd be the number. Driver dot. I don't know if we know that they've gifted multiple subscriptions in this yet. They won. Cool. All right. Back to you, dear.
Did you just call me dear?
Dear.
Ugh.
Sorry.
Ugh.
Event sub is naff with that. It doesn't know if it's multiple gifts. Lame.
This could be a trash can. so this is what we have so far. I've put in some people just enjoying meals that I haven't detailed any drawings of yet. But I think it's cute so far. I can color code people. So we can have Ritz be... Oh, weird. Why is it not letting me select? Hello? Let me select that. Not let me select Ritz, weirdly. Ritz on a different layer? Yeah, he is. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. No. And then Vondre can be, what colour can Vondre be? Like a yellow. And then Crap Waffle can be... See, what colour haven't we used? Pink. Now make Ritz more purpley. Actually, we haven't used a nice blue yet. Nice blue.
Is it really inspired by Overcooked if there are none of the swearing symbols? Asks Rennie.
Oh, swearing symbols. You're right. You're right. I've got to put some of those above Ritz, right? What are they like? They're like just exclamation points, aren't they? Or something. Are they like... They don't have a screenshot of them. Oops, I'm a pumpkin. Hey, how are you doing? We're okay, thank you. That's what they look like. You have like a screenshot of them so I can see like what the font's like. But you're so right.
Oh, Muldrum and Blue got it.
Yeah, but I don't know what the font looks like. Like, I don't know how it looks in game.
Oh, gotcha. It's yeah. I can picture it, but I don't know what it's called.
Whenever I play Overcooked, the last 3 seconds I just use to spam the swearing button. Do, 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 do. Good, the animation looks a lot smoother than I remember. This is actually just an illustration that I'm doing, and I'm sketching out like the draft so far, but I'll be inking over this and making it look much nicer, you know? But I'm doing a little piece for our D&D campaign based on Overcooked. So I've taken a screenshot of Overcooked and essentially drawn over it. I'll just take what you guys have done and assume that it'll look okay.
Have we eaten yet? Hello, Jeannie. I haven't had breakfast quite yet. We usually get something to eat around about now.
Yeah. Well, I'll probably be heading off since it's 10:30, which means
Gotcha.
it might be my time to do my daily walk and grab anything that Doig wants from town.
Oh yeah, yesterday was great. If you want to get some of those Thai chicken
balls. Thai chicken balls.
They're good. I put them in a wrap with sauce. It's good.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I can do that.
Do you do the sketches in Storyboard Pro and then ink and clip? Asks Pudsketch.
Yes, basically. Sometimes I just do the stuff in Storyboard Pro, and then I keep the inks from Storyboard Pro. When I don't think it really matters, that it's sketchy, you know?
Mhm.
Because my inks in Storyboard Pro are a lot sketchier than anywhere else. But sometimes I do just keep them. So, for example, the inks here are very sketchy, but it's quite a fast moment. I'm not really worried about it being too neat, so I'm okay to kind of just keep the lines as sketchy as they are and just use the lines that I did in Storyboard Pro for this. Same with this one.
I think it's still Rush, yeah.
Huh?
Oops, I'm going to ask us if this is
Oh.
Rush playing in the background, yeah.
Who drew the wonderful Vendre? That was Kevin.
Kevin with a 7.
Kevin with a 7. You haven't seen my wonderful Vendre yet. Behold. Behold, the crew. Doing what they do. Silly. Silly. I like it. You thought you recognized Geddy Lee's distinct vocals. Oh. Oh. Why is the screen warbling? Unclear. Unclear.
What? It might be a cat running through the hole.
Could be anything. Well, Artie, you've come in just as I have to go. Because it's 10:30. I must vamoose away. I must away. But I got this little draft done, which is fun. And I'm looking forward to taking this into clip. And doing it properly, it'll be fun. Why are you even here? I don't know, you came in so late. You circed us so late, dude. Yeah, now Archie will have to talk to Doig. Yeah, huh?
How terrible for him.
Well, if you wanna, I can stop sharing my screen, or you can stop sharing my screen, or
Give me 2 secs.
uh-huh.
There you go.
Hey, okay, let me take my screen share off. Okay. And I'll grab you some stuff from town.
Okie dokie.
Okay, okay. See, and I'm exploring this and calling it Overcooked. Oops, I did just put it in the wrong VOD folder. Oops. That's meant to go in the 19 folder. Yeah. You're out of touch. We're out of touch.
That's such a neat trick. Thanks to Kitco for telling me about that. Wait, are you saying that the screen moved just now? On the screen itself, or on the whole? The screen is doing the chaos warble. Oh, okay. I think it's maybe oh, there's stuff behind here. 1 second. Oh. Nice. As you can see, things are a little weird today. I love that it throws the clip in. It'll be things going into here, I think. This is what you're seeing. Don't touch my hole, basically.
All right.
Coxon shit's haunted. Okay, so we're trying to bypass having to pass functions that are like silly stupid like this. Cannon add ammo one. However, I've used that a fair amount. Pally gifted. Fuck. My screen isn't centered in this. Oh, weird. Oh, weird. Okay, so this isn't meant to be as chaotic as it is. That is weird. Why? Why is that like that? It's been offset. Oh well. Oh look, yeah, you have a 1 in 10 chance of getting a shadow worm. That's how that works. Just reading this being like, what? Okay. So I wonder if this one takes 4 things. It shouldn't have to. Hmm. Hmm. Though there's a 0% chance of getting shadow worm considering worms aren't on. Oh, that's not good. Okay. Okay, I gotta turn jelly baubles off because we're not doing anything with them anymore. Intentional chaos is not chaos. Very true. What? Shh. I could make. Okay. I could make. I'm gonna cause so many bugs right now. Because if we have cannon add ammo and it only needs to know what the ammo is and the count, we don't have to write all the other things. But is that smart or is that not smart? Yeah, it's not smart. Not smart to have done it that way, I don't think. That can be 0 though. Oh, did you not eat it? Swifty's gonna go get food. There's times where Swifty is very aware and it does not detract from the chaos. You think Swifty knows what Swifty is doing? They're just doing. Okay. Free cam up with me. You can see what I'm doing. There we go. So I'm trying to decide whether I want to have it so that I don't want to keep having to pass all of these parameters in whenever I want to fire something out of the cannon. I'd much rather do it this way where I can establish that I have a new cannon ammo and then populate the bits of the cannon ammo that need to change and then add that cannon ammo. Because a lot of the time we don't need to necessarily pass a bunch of stuff. At most it's what needs to get fired and who fired it so that we can track that. So you know what, maybe the 4 ones I do have is good. It's like who fired it and how many months have they been subscribed. So we can do some fun shenanigans with that. So you know what, I think I might keep it that way. But it's trying to add all of this other stuff. So what I think I'll do instead is cannon ammo equals new cannon ammo. Equals ammo. Play name equals name count. Oh, do we keep count actually? No, I don't think so. You know what we do? We do months subbed equals sub count. Okay, so sub count is optional, and we pass. Yep. All right. Save that. Hopefully this still works. Yep. All of that still works. We wrap the variables into a canon ammo struct pass to our canon. It's okay. It's okay. He has glasses. Do I have glasses? I didn't think I had glasses. These are my eyes. What are glasses? How dare you? I was hoping the thing that made my glasses disappear was working, but apparently that's still in the old build. Okay, so all of the cannon add ammos should still work, but we've given ourselves a second option for building more complex ammo that passes through the same way. So we've got I'm in the wrong place. We've got we've got add actual ammo, which is very simple because you do all of the ammo beforehand and it's all stored in here. And then we have build ammo that I'm not using at all yet. Cool. And then we have add ammo, which
Boo.
I don't know if we need. Cannon add ammo, the cannon add ammo just does actual ammo. It does this. So we're not using add ammo anymore anymore. Cool. Cool. I think that's good. Maybe. Maybe. This is not the one for ammo to add ammo to the cannon. When do I ever pass color? I don't know if I ever pass color anymore because like I don't fire. Ooh, I do fire. I do pass color when I wanted to fire jelly baubles. Yeah, that might need its own thing now. Apparently not though. That might just sort itself out, to be honest. Hang on. All right, I'm closing this. There we go. And then I'm hitting play. Oh my god. It's broken in the editor. Well, at least we can figure that out. F to the overlay, yeah. F it. F that overlay. Here we are. What the hell is going on? What the hell's going on and why did it work yesterday? Edit, project settings, physics layers. Default with dog is fine. That. What is this? Oh. Pay no attention to this thing. That's not anything. Don't worry about it. don't don't worry about it. There should be even like more colliders. Um like there's so many deck colliders now. I don't understand why it's like it's made it worse. What if I turned them off? Nope, doesn't make it better. Oh, it makes it better there. And then it doesn't. What the fuck is happening, man? They're fine for a bit and then they fall again. So it must be the characters. Well, Martina fixed it. Wait. Don't hit Swift right now. Do not hit Swift. What the hell is that? Oh, it's a screen. All right. That should probably not default to doing that. You had your finger on the... I know you did. That's why I yelled. They're fine. They're fine now. You just gotta hit... No, that's... So if I respawn... What is happening? What is happening? If I get out of a... If I get out of the region or something... Not that. I don't get it. You want to go touch the glowy ball. Don't worry about it. Are you inside a collider box, Doig? There is the AI pathing thing. No, that's not a collider. Do you want to be able? Hang on. Mod manager. Where's the mod manager? Here. Empty. Chaos. Full. Chaos. Add. Okay. You should be able to haunt the Chaos Hall now. What move? What movement mode do you think you're currently in? Tell me what you're in. Wait. Wait. Is there two ships here right now? Hang on, everybody. I gotta do a little look. I think maybe the normals are flipped. I turn the mesh glider off on this. Still busted, so it's not. Hang on. I'm very confused. Sorry, here, let me bring it back. There isn't two ships. Yeah, so it is, yeah. All right. The errors due to the snow, let's just get rid of those. Soigner. I have a thing on me that's like a snow pusher. Just delete that. Listener. Snow pusher. Right. Save. Okay, now we shouldn't have that spamming all the time. So broken. It's so weird because like it literally put more colliders in the deck. And we're just falling through them and hitting some other arbitrary point. Oh, I know what it is. Oh, wasn't that? Um, what's happening today? What's happening today is I ran the build that we ran yesterday, and now I'm falling through the floor, and it's happening in the editor, and I don't understand why. What'd be really interesting is if I ran a build from like April 1st, and if it's still happening. That would truly be weird. Yep. All right. Um. Oh, hey, Kooky Doggo. Welcome in. Which makes me think it's something to do with the save system. If it's carrying over between builds. So let's just delete our save, I guess. Where's our save manager? Abilities? Save manager. Give you your own here. Where's the persistent data path? The way to find that easy. Oh, I've got it here. Save file, come on. All right, delete both of these. Oh, it's still broken. Also, it's loading things from a save file that's been deleted. Explain that, Batman. Chaos. Yes. The pleasures of unity. Hello, welcome. Yeah, you've hit me when I'm like trying to figure out ghosts. Just ghosts in the system. Why? What exactly were you loading? I load the positions of objects, and that's about it. It saves the chaos meter. So when this starts up, the little chaos meter whoop, does like remembers that. But oh, it's saved a file now. Get out of here. Delete. Is it just spawning you in the floor? It's spawning me above the floor, and then after a couple of seconds, it makes me fall. If you pull yourself in the editor, all right. Yes. Yeah, does the same. Some stuff might not be getting initialized. You're also T-posing. T-posing is fine. That's pretty much par for my jump, I think. But maybe. Yeah, yeah. Like when I jump, yeah, it's just my jump falling pose. It's not a true T pose, it's just bad animation. But when I get to here, it's fine. But what's the difference between this? What's the difference between these colliders? Does the... Hang on. Is it this rigid body? Component. What the fuck? What the fuck? What? I win, sweet Jesus. Oh, there we go. Okay. And now with the added colliders. Fuck you, barrel. What the fuck? I'm not supposed to go through you. Give up. Is the save file loading? It could be. I think it is. And what's really interesting is that I don't want it. I want my chairs back. These chairs. All right, let's just keep a hold of these chairs right now. Let's go find them. Wait, where'd they go? There. Let's just zero them out. Wait, they're not where I thought they would be. They moved position for whatever reason. Yep. All right. So we pause. This thing is 109,000. We just zero that out. There we go. Give me my goddamn chair back. Thank you very much. It solved our falling through the floor problem.
So you don't forget.
You should make stuff either delete or respawn if it goes too far. Yeah, I'm gonna re-add like the killing floor logic, but last time I had the killing floor, it would. Oh my god, they've not remembered. An actual check on distance. Okay, can do. But would that be in their update? I feel like just deleting the save file isn't working for me. I wonder if there's a way to do it on here. Clear persistent data path. Clear it. Wait. Oh, you motherfucker. That just deleted out the Twitch Meta authorization. I'm so mad. Yeah, that just broke it more. Yeah. And it still didn't get rid of the save data. These barrels should start off over here and the chair chairs should be like on deck. I'm really perturbed by this. You know what? Save manager. Off you, turn off. Turn you off. Turn off. Turn off. It's still loading things. And I bet you stuff doesn't work with yeah, Twitch Meta is not it's not authenticated now. That explains why that worked the other day though. Open persistent path here. It doesn't have a save file. There's no save file for it to be pulling from. Like if I remove this from here, and this starts up. I don't know. Maybe that only determines how it's saved and it loads in anyway. If I remove this and do this. Okay, we got the chair back, at least. Sweet. Now if I add autosave to it, ask it to track the transform, still have the chair, it hasn't moved. Is the save system a store asset? It is a store asset, yeah. It's easy save 3, I think. And that's my script. There we go, pick that up. Can I pick the chair up now? Yes, sort of. I can't sit on the chair. What? What if I moved? Oh, it's still being weird. Enable physics interaction. Chair is still quite light. Pretty light. Even with a mass of 200, I'm still knocking about like this. Doesn't seem... I'm pushing it around like this. Is that because I switched off physics interaction? Is it an issue with Doyle's colliders and not the chair barrel? Maybe. .1. Mass, like 0.1. Am I too heavy? Oh. Okay, mass 1. If I had less gravity on me, 9. Oh, still knocking this out of the Still going through stuff. What if it was on my layer? Change children. Wild. I think I'm in the hole here. I go through it. What if it's on Swift's layer? Still being fucking weird. If I turn this to kinematic. Fine. Is this what it is? Collision detection is it something to do with my character controller? I think it's something to do with oh, I can't pick this up. Okay, so let's give it 200. It's still not working. No, that doesn't work. Can you stack objects on top of each other? Yeah. Just fine. So it feels like it's DOIG related. Are you still using the Unity CC? No, I never used the Unity CC. This one is I think it's easy character controller. There's a lot of things that say easy in them. And it's starting to backfire. Crack that. Oh, I've I've looked at it a lot. The Swift also clip into things like Doig. That's a good question. Yes. So I fixed the going through the floor issue, and I thought I'd fix this with the floor being more stable, but it's just the same. The thing about it is that the objects aren't going through the floor anymore, which is good, but they're still getting bite up against. I really don't know. Really don't know. Really, the little crosshair that moves around. Little thing. Ah. Oh. Um. Yeah. So let's try something. If I take my character and I pause the game and I put them like this and I put them like this and I put them like this and then I turn off character movement. Then do this. Interesting. I don't have a character movement script turned on and I'm still moving around. That seems weird. Is there a chance you have another collider on your character? Maybe? There might be a hurt box. There's just one capsule collider on the... I think there's just one. So it looks like there's circle. Oh, it looks like there's two actually, yeah. What's the second one? Big catcher. Big catcher is a trigger. What is this circle? Only moving when... you'd think turning off my collider would do something, right? I don't know what this circle is. Oh, I don't move anymore. That might also mean that I don't fall. Yeah, that makes me fall. Oh, well, that could be a crash. Yeah, that was a crash. Bet you I didn't save the scene for forever. Did you turn off your character controller? I did, yeah. Weird thing, yeah, definitely a weird thing to crash on. Or nor. It's opening again. I need to go check that I turn off the rigid body on the ship. It may be time to use a less sophisticated character controller. Reminder to update your source control. Yeah, I need to do that. I might not have done that in like a year. At the same time, hey, Rani, how's your source control going, dude? Source control is for cowards. Even after your OS, I backed it up. I didn't, I just didn't, add it to source control outside of that. Okay. So let's just sure that remove this. Save. Play. We're still getting usual behavior. All right. So it seems like the character controller that I'm using is being super weird. Like if I don't impart downward force, or this, or this, or this, he still moves stuff around. Makes no sense to me. Those are turned off. 100% used to be able to walk on them and roll them around and do all sorts. Okay. I I've lost ability to move. Oh, I fucked it royally. Okay. That was a mistake. What are you looking for? Fuck, I fucked it. Ah, I shouldn't have done what I did. And because it's a prefab, it's probably saved automatically, right? Like, mhm. All right, let's see what Swift Mirror has. Fucking lock. Or it's just unlocking them. Because I'm inside. It makes no sense. Lock that. Toy. Yeah. Does she have? Oh no. What's the situation right now? The situation right now is that Toy just doesn't move. Because the script itself is turned off. This is control. Why am I not? Why am I not moving? I'm really confused. All I did was delete a couple of scripts and then put them back on the game object, and now it's broken. Like maybe there's something else depending on it that's just lost its reference. Got it. All right. Got it. 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 And it's alive. Yeah. Still won't stand on objects. I need it to for funsies. Maybe it is time to just be like, I'm gonna write my own character controller because this is dumb. Even with like factory settings, this is dumb. Like I shouldn't be able to do what I'm doing. There's no enable physics interaction. So this shouldn't be happening. Unless it's on one, and if it's on one and not the other, yeah. Enable physics interaction shouldn't be happening. So maybe there is another collider that's doing it. Oh. Oh. What if this was grabbable? Still the same. I think I've changed it back to default now. To get the same level of functionality might take a while though. Yeah. Maybe. All I need to do is to be able to run around and jump. But I turn off network transform. That doesn't. Wait. I need to be on DOI. It's not like a velocity thing. Not like I'm going through it too fast. Not like maximum fall speed. I make this 80. I never reach 80. I think, how heavy is that barrel? The barrel itself is 300, and I'm pushing it around like it's nothing. There's like a physics aspect that is just being ignored. Is it actually being ignored? Profine simulate. I want. All right. Go find current document. Simulate. Oh, all right. Let's do it inside of character. Find simulate. Update rotation, move, update physics volumes. Okay. Find all references. Post physics update. Input. We're not using that, but we are using this. I think physics volume is if it's in water and stuff like that. Simulate rotation, move. If is disabled, return. Returns true if character's movement mode is none. Okay. Okay. If it's none, it just doesn't move. That's good to know. That's good to know. I know references. Do I ever say movement mode is none? I don't think I do. I think I do something else. That should be how I make it that it doesn't move anymore. There was something I wanted to do if it teleported during a cinematic. Cinematic teleporter. I should do something different here. Say none. And then this should can't call it the Breakfast Club if you don't eat breakfast. Did you eat yet? I haven't eaten yet. I will. Do you need to go? I do have food here. Swifty. Still being weird. Of course it is. All right. So I don't know the fix for this. Oh yeah. So the thing that you're not supposed to receive, that can throw bombs out of it right now. A lot of bombs. But this is a sort of thing that when you activate a chaos event, it will open a portal and throw random shit out of it. Thanks. Glad you like my bomb hole. Can someone try throwing 1-bit? I want to see if bit bombs have now been fixed. There's 1-bit. Wait, no, don't. Twitch Mata is not working. Never mind. I have to re-authenticate that. I have upgraded. Unless you've done it in the last week. I have done it in the last week. Okay. It could have been breaking bit bombs as well as Ranny's subs. Okay. Well, I just refactored my canon code in an attempt to fix bit bombs, but it's all good. Yeah, I'm on 1.3.2. I'm now on 1.3.6 according to this. Bomb code did need refactoring either way. Dizzy, I have some requests to add something into utilities. Unless you already have it, but I wrote code to fetch the avatar of a user, and I wrote it into Twitch Mata's utilities, and every time I upgrade, that gets deleted, and I've forgotten how I written it, so I'm gonna have to refigure out how I wrote it, and then ask to add it in. Man, if only you had source control. Yep. I'm not gonna authenticate my bot right now. Compiler errors. Oh, that's good. Didn't have a compiler error before I updated Twitch Mata. I'll do a close and reopen. So, how's it going, everybody? Hey, Twitch Meta update didn't fix my barrels, so what's up with that? Huh? Huh? Why did that not fix my gravity and my physics? Sorry, Dizzy. I don't mean to make stupid jokes at your expense. You're doing great work. Does anybody want to throw a one bit just to see if stuff is broken? 10 bits. Let's see. It's looks like it's still broken, everybody. That's fucking great. I think it's my side, Dizzy. The it. You know what? Can I see where it was thrown? Apparently not anymore, no. You've got errors hidden. I do have errors hidden. So who threw it? Fusar did. If I search for FUS, is it FUS? Yeah. I'm not even getting the code that says I've received anything. Am I getting anything? Yeah, throw popcorn, redeem. Nope. Could be me. Can I throw stuff myself? Yep, that works. Client ID, blah, blah, blah. You've got errors hidden. Client ID, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, that's okay. File not found. I don't have my bot initialized. So would that fuck things up? Could be that. Okay. I will authenticate that then. It does mean I have to log out of Twitch. Can you bring your iPad, Swifty?
Wow, it's me. Wow. Thanks for playing. I got 36 out of 36.
Oh my God,
I think that would be
shush.
pretty brutal if I got that wrong. Consider-
Okay. I log my bot into Edge so I don't have to log out in Firefox. How do you make it open in Edge when you click authenticate? Huh?
Great.
Oh, that makes sense.
Okay.
That makes sense. Okay, Twitch meta. Apparently I have Twitch game engine stuff still installed. That's fun. Authenticate. Authorize. All right. And then back to here. Log out. Log in. The Joy Swift login. Okay, I don't have to do the auth code thing. Sorry, Swift. I am reauthing. Okay. So I'm reauthed. Anybody want to throw 1 bit to see if that works? Oh. Okay. Yes is the answer to that. That's a big bit bomb. Very cool. Okay, that's a good sign. Cool. Cool. Was Tichmada breaking my physics? I'm not gonna say anything, but I sure do be standing on this barrel right now. I sure do be not able to push it around because it's so heavy now. Oh, I can't push anything around. Probably because I turned off physics, maybe. Okay, that's why that's what doing that. Talk shit and Dizzy will break your overlay. We'll save everything. Doi mirror. Okay, enable physics interaction, and then enable physics interaction. Go back. It might just be listening now. I don't know. Don't know. Okay. Oh, I did knock that over now. Okay, so it's just really heavy now, as it should be. Chair is heavy. This chair is not as heavy as I hoped it would be, but still stand on it. Okay, I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. Okay, well, maybe there was just like whatever error was happening or occurring somewhere deep in somewhere was like just messing up the ability to like do proper physics. I don't know. What do you mean easy fix? I don't even understand it. Why'd I get two? Hey, look! It's got the little gifted by now. Is it? It's the wrong way around. It's the wrong way around, but I'll fix that. Wait, I know why they get two. Why have I got two? Overlay is still haunted. It's still haunted, gang. Yep. Bring this back up. Cannon, build ammo, fire ammo, sub chest. The name, our name. For now, I think the fix for that is our name, the name. Because event sub sends separate messages for sub with message and sub, but I think it's triggering both. Oh, dang. You're listening. Okay. Canon display name, message, gifter name. So display and gifter. Go to here. Let's rename this to display name and then gifter name. And when we get down to here, yep, that's correct. Cool. Hey gang. Okay, so last thing to do is make sure that the save manager is happy enough. Okay, so yep, it remembered that 10 bits have been thrown. So the chaos meter, I think, was probably at like 200 before ish. So if I ooh, that's cool. No refs. And okay, so is debug send bits now not working? Because that's fine if not, but I'm getting no refs there. Event sub error occurred while trying to handle channel.cheer notification raw such and such. Okay, bits aren't working anymore. Why? I suspect it's because you're referencing subscription, and that may not actually be filled out in the cheer response. Okay. But it worked before. Could have been that. Okay, so the debug one is working. Is the real one working? Mata, dizzy, pride 30. Error. At least we're getting an error now. Okay, let's look at the... Object reference not set to an instance of an object at Twitch Meta Bits Manager event so channel cheer. You able to read that okay? Makes sense. What's weird is that that first bomb that was thrown in did account for the sub count of the person who threw it because it was a larger bit bomb. And that worked. So it was getting the user information. It was passing a user and it was able to figure out how many months they were subscribed. I'm gonna do a test. And you stop the editor build and play it again from scratch rather than let it refresh. Yeah, okay. It's going again. Yeah, it's not liking that. If I throw 50. Hey, at least we're getting an error now. We were getting nothing before. It did work before. It worked before I did, and line 123 shouldn't be causing this. There's line 113. Oh, this. Bits manager 123. It's 123 up here. It's 123 up here, yeah. It's in. I hate this. I hate that clicking there doesn't work. It's, user equals this dot user manager dot user for event sub bits redeem. I've never seen user manager before. And I also can't go to it. That's fun. It's used all over the place internally in Touchmata. Okay. Debug bombs has a fake user. Is that the cause of the null ref? Debug bombs are now working. Real bombs were working. Then I tried a debug bomb and the debug bomb didn't work. Then I removed the reference to the subscription and debug bombs work, but real bombs don't work now. That's where we're at. Which is pretty wild. Oh, you're right there. Oh. No. No. I can't believe I managed to get you. Am I meant to have created a user manager? What just fired? No. Okay. Well, let's see user manager in the wait, runtime feature manager is not here. User manager. There it is. User with username. connection. User with ID. User with and Helix is all still working, yeah? Or did they get rid of Helix? That's API, right? They were getting rid of PubSub, but the API stuff is still working. Okay, so debug work. What are we doing on today's stream? We are ending soon, but trying to fix some really ratty bugs with our game. It's not going logically, which is weird because code is meant to be logical. If I can paste you the whole error. Don't know if I still have it. I see. All right, here we go. You were told about these streams from a fellow animator named Greg Zilla. Ah, cool. That's awesome. Yeah, Greg's awesome. Where are you, Dizzy? Okay, I'm gonna put it right into here. I can delete that if that's if that's the wrong place to put it. It said Twitch Meta updates. You know what? I'm gonna remove that. That's not the right place to put this. I'm gonna DM that to you, Dizzy. No, this is funnier. No, it's okay. Message. Here you are. So funny. Hey, I'm just gonna set up this space so that I can keep you guys updated on the splurge. It is very strange that it worked the first time, and it gave me hope. Twitch Meta is a wrapper written by Pilkey that is built on top of twitchlib.unity, and so it is like a bundle specifically created for people creating VTuber VPOs to use twitchlib.unity, and it's since needed to be updated because it was built on top of something called PubSub. And Twitch has killed PubSub in favor of EventSub. And that's where we're at. Kuma is yelling at me. I think I have to go. I think I have to feed cats and eat lunch and get to work. But if you got my errorness, and hopefully we can figure it out going forward. Yeah. I'm gonna head off. Let's see who we can raid. Yeah, events allows for more to do more stuff, but you have to talk to it in a different way. Raid browser. Following. When did we last raid Smilky? I feel like it was recently. You did raid in the last 30 days. Because there's also Blupino. I just closed the raid browser. Chill craft mine. Oh, I think they're Minecrafting. Nice. Yeah, we've not raided them in the last month. Let's raid the burb. We're gonna go raid Blupino, who's very chill. They're an artist. I think they're currently playing just a cozy time in Minecraft right now. Yeah, let's go raid them. And then I'll go feed
Bye.
the boy who is screaming at me now. Thanks for joining me this morning. Appreciate it. I know it's
Toodles.
been a bit. Bye. Hey, mods are in again. That's cool. All right. Thanks very much, everybody. I hope you have a great rest of your day. And until then, may the rest of your day be filled with adventure. Bye-bye.
See ya.
Bye-bye. Don't follow me. Don't follow me.